Kishu inu token. This time all crypto market is starting moving upward. Every coin is wake up, but this time the Kishu inu. I have a very huge and very special information for all Kishu inu token holder, and I will give you surprise also. So let's get start a brand video, but kindly if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. First of all, I'm going to show you the update, and after that we will talk about the price prediction. All right, so come to the point. This time the update you can see from last 7 days, just an only Kishu inu will get a profit. Otherwise from last 1 day, from last 1 hour, it goes down. In all crypto market from last 24 hour goes down. So the price was 0. I think 802 USD dollar, very cheap price, and the rank is gone down. Sorry to say this, the rank is goes down. I think they will goes down to 100 to you can see here 324. I think it's very badly goes down, but don't very be relaxed. I'm sure to in upcoming days they will again wake up and give you a profit. But the market cap you can see here is increasing, and the volume is also increasing. So that's clear my friends. To if a holder starting buying, investing more and more, then the market cap is increasing. So therefore I think the market is increasing. All right, if we check out the chart result, so in last 7 days, as you can see here my friends, totally 8.34% the Kishu inu price was increasing. So make sure my friends to after a dump every coin will starting pumping up. Remember to after a dump every coin will pumps up. So therefore if this time the Kishu inu price will increasing, then their all credit goes to this dump my friends. So holders when starting selling, remember to some holders are decided to this was a good time for buying. So remember when holders are starting buying, then the price is totally pumps up and give you a profit. So therefore my advice, my opinion is for all of you to kindly hold down and don't starting selling. And what's your opinion, what's your advice, kindly share it in a comment box.